I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, retired teacher, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Live and alive, I'm here in Vistamon, Bintal, Davao. In as much ay, mabuhay! Yeah, so that's it. At this moment, there are only few persons. Mabuhay vlog, what school are you? Please come. Please come now, learners. So I am a retired teacher. Please come. Anong school niyo? Asa ang school? Sa Holy Child?
Opo.
Okay.
Ano po, pampre?
Sige. Why are you here in Vistamon?
Because,
Lang. Okay. Your name?
My name is Ronnie Eperon.
Yeah, you.
Siyang Malbarosa.
You subscribe my boy channel na. Erlinda Rindon. What's my name? Erlinda Rindon. Okay, retired teacher. I'm teaching grade 12 and grade 8. You, yeah. Just retired too. Okay, look for me. Follow me. Yours. Oy, I am a teacher. Grade 12. You. What grade are you now? What grade are you? Okay, so they are here.
This is my class.
Yeah. Your name? Name.
My name is Gus Andi.
How about the other one?
Olmer Andi.
Okay, so look for me. YouTube my boy channel, ha? Erlinda Rindon. Tonight I will post. Subscribe, ha? So, yeah. Mabuhay. That's mabay. So we go now to all home. I will be buying what's this? The heater that was on fire last night. So I will buy one here in Vista Mall. Where's my? Okay, so this is it. Been looking for this and so how much is this? Can
665.
665. Okay, so I will just picture the other heater. You call this one heater? Pwede mano, sir. Okay, so this is it, Vista Mall. Wow, so nice, Eureka. I have warranty. How many?
Yes, ma'am. 1 year.
1 year. Okay, so I'm already afraid to use it in as much as it was on fire last night. So I have my new heater. I will be paying to the cashier. My new heater. Thank you, sir. Just a moment. I will just vlog that one. So here, I decided to buy the cheaper one because the big one, this one is 645. I got this one, the model 665, 1,225, and this one is 25. This one 3,000. Ouch! It's out of my budget. I love this one, but this is only my capability at this moment. Yeah, happy new 1 year warranty. Yeah, I love my new heater. Yeah. So this is it. We'll go to the cashier and we'll pay now. This is a day, the life, the retired teacher. Yeah, just roaming around here in Vista Mall. Where's mine, sir? I will just go directly to the cashier. Or you will accompany me.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name?
Glenn po.
Glenn. Glenn
Ventibilia po.
Pointevilla.
Yes po.
Follow me on Facebook.
Yes po.
I will post tonight, ha? Sir Glenn, okay, thank you for